Then I'm going to save and exit from the file. Escape WQ exclamation. Then I'm going to start the SNMP service. What is the command that you use to start the service? Service what is the service name? SNMPD. Then you have to give start. Yeah. Then you have to view the status. Yeah, it is active and running. Now you have to use the commands to view the MIB tree. Okay, so you have to retrieve the information using SNMP request. So I'm going to show you this. So SNMP, what is the SNMP? SNMP is a simple network management protocol. It is an internet standard protocol used to monitor and manage network devices connected over the IP. Okay, so then you have to know about the how the SNMP works. SNMP works by sending protocol data units. Protocol data units means PDUs, so also known as SNMP GET requests to network devices that respond to SNMP. All these communications are tracked and network monitored tools use GET requests to fetch data from SNMP. Traffic flows into your network from the different sources. So simple network management protocol communicate with the all network and the device in it. So as mentioned earlier, SNMP is pre-configured on device, and once the protocol is enabled, the device will store their performance state, and each network server will have multiple management information base. MIB means management information base. Okay, so the device MIB files are required to fetch the monitoring data. The working of SNMP revolves around its components, with each component contributing to the management of resources. So you can see this picture, SNMP manager and SNMP agents. So the SNMP agents are the managed device. So SNMP SNMP manager get command to get the value from the MIB. Then SNMP agent will respond to the SNMP manager. So likewise, you can see the see this picture. Okay. Then you have to know about the components. Okay, SNMP manager, then SNMP manage devices, SNMP agent manage scenarios, and you have to be familiar with the MIBs. MIB means management. What is the meaning of MIB? Hello? MIB means management information base. Okay, so then you have to have an idea about OIDs also. So this is the sample MIB tree diagram. So you have nodes here. So each node have the number. You can see the within the normal brackets, it's have a number for each node. So then how to write OID for this? OID for you have to write the OID for the node. Then OID of the sys desk is 1.3.6.1.2.1.1.1. Okay, sys desk, this one. Okay, so the OID means here 1, then 3, 6, 1, then 2 1 1 and yeah. So this is the numeric format OID. Okay, so then you have to be familiar with MIB tree and how to write OIDs. Okay, how to write OIDs. Uh, so then you have SNMP version. So SNMP version 1, version 2Z, and SNMP version 3. Then SNMP version 3 is the stable one now. So it is more secure version. Okay. So then we have SNMP commands. So basic SNMP commands: get, getNest, getBulk, set. Okay. Get means SNMP manager issues the request to the managed device. Then the get command retrieves one or more values from the managed device. Then get next means get next like a get. It retrieves the values of the next OID in the MIB tree. Okay. Then get bulk. Get bulk command retrieves the bulk of data from the large MIB table. Then set. Set command to modify the and or assign the value on the managed device. Okay. Then yeah. Okay. Then the traps. Then information response and okay. Then I'm going to use these commands. So in my CentOS, I'm going to type these commands. So SNMP SNMP translate TRANS translate. Then you have to give the OID. Okay. So now I am going to give the OID dot 1 dot 3 dot 6 dot 1 dot 2 dot 1 dot 1 dot 3 dot 0. Okay. Then SNMP translate. Okay. So SNMP translate is a tool that allows you to browse the MIB tree in various ways. Okay, so and give the numerical OID. So this is a number. You can see it is in numbers. So then SNMP translate. Then I give the OID. Then I give the enter. Then it is prompt me the textual form. Okay, textual form of the OID. Okay, then again I'm going to give the textual format. Let me check. Okay, so it can also translate the numerical result to the textual format also. So SNMP translate SNMP translate. Then you have to give the hyphen, then on, then on is the flag. Okay, it's option. Then SNMP, then you have to give the version is 2, then MIB, then colon, then colon, then system, then sys uptype, this is uptime, then dot C. Okay. SNMP translate, then I give the on flag here, then I give the uh, textual format of the OID. Okay, then give the enter. Then this will prompt me the numeric format of the OID. Okay, then you have to type SNMP translate, then .iso, then dot 3 dot 6 dot 1 dot private private, then enterprises dot two dot one dot pr names dot 0. Okay, so SNMP translate dot iso dot 3 dot 6 dot 1 dot private dot enterprises dot 2021 dot 2 dot 1 dot pr names dot 0. Okay, then enter. Then it gives me